Let's be honest, atheism sounds enlightened, modern, even liberating. No rules, no guilt, no God watching over your every move. But beneath that appealing surface lies something most people never see. Because atheism isn't just an opinion about God, it's a worldview. And worldviews have consequences, dangerous ones. When a culture decides God doesn't exist, it doesn't become neutral, it becomes godless. And when nothing is sacred, everything becomes disposable. Truth, morality, even human life. So let's delve into this. I'll give you 5 reasons atheism is so dangerous. Stick around to the end because the 5th one is the most important. 1. The moral vacuum. If there is no God, there is no ultimate standard of right and wrong. You can say murder is wrong, but wrong to who? To evolution? To your tribe? To the strongest voice in the room? Without a transcendent source of morality, ethics becomes opinion, and opinions can be silenced or changed. C.S. Lewis once warned, "We make men without chests and expect of them virtue and enterprise." That's the world atheism built. Hearts emptied of meaning, yet expected to behave morally. Second reason, the devaluation of human life. When you remove God, you remove the idea that every person bears his image. And history shows what happens next. From Stalin's gulags to Mao's purges, ideologies built on atheism treated humans as tools of the state, not souls with infinite worth. Now, not every atheist is amoral, of course not, but atheism cannot justify why morality should exist at all. It borrows moral values from the faith it rejects while pretending they came from nowhere. Third, the loss of meaning. If life is just atoms in time, then meaning is an illusion, a chemical trick of survival. Love, sacrifice, purpose, all reduced to biology. And when people start believing that deeply, they stop living for anything beyond themselves. That's when despair sets in, and societies collapse from the inside out. Philosopher Nietzsche saw this coming. He declared God is dead, but he didn't celebrate it. He feared what would follow, a century of nihilism and bloodshed. He was right. Comment below if you know how many lives were lost in the 19th century by atheist rulers that saw no value in human life. Do you really think there was no correlation there? Fourth reason, the dangerous irony. Atheism claims to free humanity, but in reality, it enslaves us to meaninglessness. It offers no forgiveness, no objective truth, no ultimate hope. It demands faith in blind chance while mocking faith in a rational creator. And yet the very order and intelligibility of the universe, the laws of logic, mathematics, morality, all point to a mind behind it. Denying that mind doesn't make us free, it makes us lost. Now, the most important part, the way back. The antidote isn't blind religion, it's truth. Truth that says your life matters because it was designed with intention. Truth that grounds morality, meaning, and love in a personal source. That source isn't an abstract force, it's God Himself. When we reject Him, darkness fills the gap. When we return, light follows. So yes, atheism is dangerous, not because atheists are evil, but because a world without God cannot sustain the very values that make life worth living. If you found this thought-provoking, hit subscribe to join the Truth Lab community, where science, philosophy, and faith meet. And share this video with someone who thinks atheism is harmless, because the truth is, ideas have consequences. The danger of atheism isn't disbelief in God, it's disbelief in purpose.